Hello, welcome to this quick video showing selection in Python using a boolean. The program you can see is the same one you've seen earlier in the blog, except I've added this here. I've got name check equals a bool value of name equivalent to muspain. Now previously what I was doing was that I had that in here like that. But what I can do is set this, and then this will become true or false. Then this checks whether this is equal to true or equivalent to true. So let's run that first. And we'll run it line by line. So we'll step in, type in muspain, step in again. If I hover over it, we can see that muspain, or the name check, is now true. So we're then going to check if name check is equivalent to true, which it is, and then we'll output. However, because this is just true or false, we don't actually need that bit there. If I run this now, it will do exactly the same thing. So we can see it's true, checks it's true there, and then we finish. So that works in exactly the same way.